Hello everyone, it's me Sanjay here. Warmly welcome you all for this 30 days data science masterclass series day 1. And I hope you guys are super excited for this day 1 session. If you are really excited about it, just post super excited Sanjay in your live chat. First of all, before going for the session, I would like to tell you something. You might have attended a lot of live sessions in your journey, but the experience which you're going to get from this series is going to really blow your mind away. Because the way of giving a real life examples and way of delivering the concept to you, and also the hands-on project which we are going to work on, everything which is going to be completely different, and also the session is going to be super interactive today. So if you are really excited about this journey, you just post excited Sanjay in your live chat. And before going further, I really wanted to welcome the people out there. So here we have Ranjani, hi, Diksha, hi, and Nagesh, hi, and Pramodini, hi, and Kavya, hi, and Yashashwini, hi. And thank you so much. And Kaushal, hi. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all the comments which you are given. So first of all, let us begin the session. So before that, you might have watched some introduction video, but no worries. First of all, whenever people are attending this kind of live sessions, some kind of thoughts which is going to be running in the people's mind is, Sanjay, I don't know anything about data science. Can I attend the session or not? Sanjay, I don't know anything about programming. Can I attend the session or not? Sanjay, I am a person who don't know the difference between data analytics and data science. Can I attend the session or not? Sanjay, does this session really requires any prerequisites, pre-required knowledge or not? So, Sanjay, I am a person who used to hate programming from my childhood days. Can I attend the session or not? So, how many of you really having these questions, guys? If you're really having these questions running in your mind, you just post me, Sanjay, in your live chat. So, for you all people, I have a happy news. So, what is the happy news is, this series don't require any prior knowledge. Yes, this series is completely from the scratch. Even though you are a beginner, even though you don't know anything about this data analysis, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, no worries. This series is going to be completely from the scratch. And also, whenever you are really getting in between, any questions in between, you can just take a notes, and whatever the questions you are getting, you can ask all your questions at the end of the session. And another very important thing, you really need minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate. Yes, every day 7 p.m. this live will be conducted. So that's why some people will attend 3 days and they will ask for the 30-day certificate. That's why this disclaimer is for you. Minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate on data science. Even though you have a 24 days of attendance, I'm really sorry to tell you, you won't get the certificate. So minimum 25 days of attendance is required to get the free participation certificate. And another very important thing, today's session duration is going to be 2 hours, guys. Yes, it's longer, but I'm going to add immense value to a career in this today's session, because a lot of content we are going to deliver it up, and it is going to really blow your mind away. But those people, even though the live which has been conducted for 2 hours, those people who are all staying till end with me, they are really special, right? I really want to give something for them, because instead of telling some silly reasons like I want to leave, I want to scroll Instagram reels, I want to play games, instead of kind of giving silly reasons, those people who are all staying connected with me for 2 hours, they are really special, right? For those people, I'm going to give one course which is worth of 1,499 rupees absolutely free. Guys, is it amazing? If it is really amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, I'm going to give one course for free for those people who are all staying till the end. And another very important thing, this free masterclass series on data science, you won't get the recordings. So every day 7 p.m. you should be there on live to attend it, and you should have minimum 25 days of attendance to get the free participation certificate. Because today attendance link will be given at any point of the live, so be ready with the live. So you need to fill up the form today. But from tomorrow, attendance will be automatically recorded by the tool. But today attendance link is there. You should fill up that form. So only if you are having a minimum 25 days of attendance only, you'll be getting a free e-certificate on data science. But how many of people really like, Sanjay, the thing which you are conducting series for 30 days, it's amazing. But if I have a recording, that will be good, Sanjay. How many of you people really want recordings? Or how many of you people really looking for the recordings? If you really want the recordings, you just post I want Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so how many of people really want the recordings, and how many of people really wanted to do online internship in our company on the concept on AI and data science with an internship offer letter? If you all really wanted it, you just post eagerly wanted Sanjay in your live chat. So who wanted the recordings and who want all the materials like PPT, mind map, source code, data set, trained model files, and also how many people really want an offer letters, how many of people really want internship certificates. If you really wanted that, You just post eagerly wanted Sanjay in your live chat. Because for you people, I'm going to give an announcement sharply at 8 p.m. So through that announcement, you'll be getting an opportunity to get the recordings. And without wasting time, let us directly jump onto the technical part of the session, guys. If you are really ready for the technical part of the session, just post super ready Sanjay Nila chat. Yes, look at that. There are a lot of people posting. Yes, I want recording. Yes, we need recording. One, me. I want. Lot of messages I'm getting. That's amazing, guys. Thank you so much. So first of all, whenever you're talking about this AI and data science and all, first thing which I really want to start up is whenever you are really going to learn from free resources, the end of the day where you will be landed that confusion. How many of you really agree to this? Because nowadays we are in the generation of not in the generation of lack of information. We are in the generation of information overload. So while talking about information overload, I can able to show you the live proof. Here, whenever you are talking about AI and data science, here data science is mentioned as bigger, and inside the data science AI has been mentioned. Okay, and if you are scrolling down further, you can see here data science is at the right and which is smaller than AI. So likewise, there are real confusion. If you are really agree to that, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, that's what the real confusion which will leads you. Okay, so that's why I'm going to give you the clear-cut hierarchy on AI and data science. And also before that, I forgot to mention that you are not learning from just a coaching company which has been started 1 year back or 2 year back. No, this Pantech.AI is a product-based company for more than 20 years. So for that 20 years, which it used to manufacture a lot of products under the field of electronics, electrical, mechanical, robotics, artificial intelligence, and etc. Even you can see this is the AI development board, which is we are manufacturing the artificial intelligence development board as well. So if you are really happy to learn from this type of product-based company, you just post super happy Sanjay in your live chat. And also, whenever you're talking about the e-learning platform, because we are transferring this 20 years of product-based knowledge to you through this Warriorsway coaching club. So this Pantech.AI and Warriorsway coaching club, you can see how many reviews it has in the complete e-learning platform. You can compare with the big giants, but the company which it used to have maximum review is this company, which it used to have around 4.8 star, 26,429 reviews. Guys, is it amazing? Okay, if it is really amazing and if you are really feeling happy to learn from this type of company, you just post super happy Sanjay in your chat, because faking this review is impossible. You can check out that all the reviews are unique reviews, which is all paragraph kind of review, which has been given by tons and tons of people. And if you are really super happy to learn from this type of company, you just post super happy Sanjay in your live chat. So first of all, while talking about the AI and data science hierarchy, I really wanted to explain this with the help of a certain story. Okay, while talking about a certain story, first just see this story. Okay, see this part. While talking about the black hole, I think you might have saw the black hole in a lot of movies. Whenever you're talking about the black hole, in the left hand side you can see the black hole image. Okay, for long years Stephen Hawking used to tell black hole is there, but a lot of people didn't believe it because he used to tell theoretically. But after it captured as a real image, the black hole real image, which is the left hand side image, after that only people started believing it. So this image which is captured at 2019, if I'm not wrong. So after that, okay, all the people believed, okay, black hole is there. So now you might ask, Sanjay, why you are talking about the black hole right now? Guys, while talking about this project, I'm really considering this as a project. To capture this black hole image, it is not like taking a camera to the space and clicking the shutter button and oh, we guys have captured the black hole. No, it's not like that. So to form a single image like this in the left hand side, there is 1,000 pounds of hard drives. 1,000 pounds of hard drives, which is nothing but which is having all the data, which has been acquired by the telescope. 1,000 pounds of hard drives of data, which has been processed to form a single image like this, are called black hole image. So guys, do you really love this example? So if you are talking about this example, so here, while talking about the project, you can't tell only computer vision is being used and data analysis is not being used. Only the machine learning has been used, only that part is not been used. You can't tell that way. Because while talking about the concept, while talking about the project, based on the need, that certain concept is going to be used. Okay. So for an example, in some of the projects like where you'll be doing a company analysis, on the time, sometimes it might require without machine learning and deep learning. Sometimes ML and deep learning might be used. So from this point, what I really wanted to tell is everything is interlinked. based on the need that certain concept is going to be used. For an example, AI is the bigger circle. Inside the AI, we have machine learning, and inside the machine learning, we have a deep learning. But on the other hand, we have a data science as the bigger circle. Inside the data science, we have a data analytics, and inside the data analytics, we have a data mining. But on the other hand, we have a big data. So from this picture, what you can able to understand is everything which is going to be interlinked. Based on the need, that certain concept is going to be used. Are you clear about the hierarchy, guys? If you are clear about the hierarchy, you just post clear hierarchy in your live chat. And some people are asking for the full stack course. Guys, full stack class, which is the recorded class which I've told you, which is already happening in some other live link. You might have got the live link through Telegram or something. So please check that out and go and attend those events. So Tejas, when it is not recorded, it's live. Okay, I'm here in the live. So this is what the hierarchy is all about. So AI, inside the AI we have ML, and inside the ML we have a DL, which is deep learning and machine learning. On the other hand, we have a data science cycle, and on the other hand, we have a big data. So everything is interlinked. Based on the need, that certain concept is going to be used. That's what the first hierarchy, which I really want to clear it out. Okay, if you are clear about the hierarchy, you just post clear hierarchy in your live chat, guys. And after that, what we'll be using is, we'll be going one step further to understand the artificial intelligence, because sometimes whenever I'm talking about machine learning and deep learning on the data science class, some people will be like, what? Why you are talking about machine learning and deep learning in data science class? Guys, there is no data science without machine learning and deep learning. Okay. So first thing, that is the first point you should remember. So as I've already told you, everything is interlinked. You can't skip that part. And on that aspects, the first thing which I want to discuss is about AI. So guys, while talking about the artificial intelligence, you might have, While talking about artificial intelligence, you might have watched a lot of movies so far in the category of AI. You just give your comments like what are all the AI based movies you guys have watched so far. Because I'm going to show you one clip which has also been acquired by the movie clip. So whenever you are creating something intelligent, it can be a robot, because AI it's not need to be a robot. It can be a robot, it can be a computer, it can be a machine, it can be anything. But whenever you're really going to make something intelligent, or even if you are going to create a robot like you, like Yuvraj is going to create a robot like him, like Yuvraj bot or something. So what is the first job Yuvraj wanted to do is, whatever the skill that Yuvraj bot wanted, first Yuvraj want to collect all the knowledge and skills in the format of data. That data need to be given to the Yuvraj robot, and that robot is going to learn from the data and is going to solve a certain problem. That is what AI is, guys. Even in this movie clip, so the first part of the movie is right, but second part of the movie is not that much accurate. But the first part of the movie is right. So here it is one of the movie where the robot. So here Rajini sir is creating one robot. To create the robot, what are all the robot it really wanted? I mean, what are all the knowledge that robot really wanted? So everything which has been given us in terms of data. Can you see that? So languages, martial arts, work, something, and advanced mathematics, arts, music, science. Can you see that? This is what the artificial intelligence is. Whenever you are going to make something intelligent, you are going to collect all the knowledge and skills in the forms of data. That data which is needed to be given to the robot, and from the robot, from the data that robot is going to learn, that robot is going to perform. That is what AI is. So if you are clear about artificial intelligence, you just post clear AI in your live chat, guys. Okay, again I'm repeating, while talking about artificial intelligence, whatever the knowledge or whatever the skill which that robot wants, machine wants, or whatever, you really convert every knowledge or skills in the format of data. So from the data, your robot is going to learn and it is going to perform. That is what AI is. But as I've already told you, the second part of the movie is not accurate, because simply by connecting 10 hard disk, you can't expect your robot will learn everything from the data. You can't expect that. So that's where I really wanted to show you this as a proof. Guys, isn't it funny how to confuse your AI? You just see, it has two classes. One is cupcake with berries and another one is dog's face. Can you see there are a lot of similarity between each and every classes? Even as a human being, we used to feel difficulty on understanding these, identifying it easily without not even a single second gap. Because it is really looking similar. That's why I told you. Simply by providing a data, your robot can't learn and your robot can't perform. And also in this time, I really want to compare it with the human being, guys. Okay, you just all imagine, as a human being, we have one common ability. So what is the common ability is, as a human being, we can analyze something and we can identify a pattern in it and we can make a decision. You just imagine, I'm going to close your eyes and I'm going to put one scoop of butterscotch ice cream in your mouth. You will analyze the taste and you will identify the pattern between the taste, like whether it is a butterscotch ice cream or is it a chocolate ice cream or is it a other vanilla or whatever. So whatever the ice cream or whatever the flavors. So you are analyzing something, you are identifying the pattern in it, and you are making a decision, right? So that is for the taste which I've told you. Not only for the taste, even you just imagine you are really seeing this water bottle. Even though if you are seeing this brand water bottle for the first time, you will identify it as a water bottle because you already have a experience on visualizing lot of water bottles. So that's why I'm telling you, you are used to analyze it and you will identify the pattern of how the water bottle will looks like and how the mug will looks like, because uh, you know the pattern. So that's why I'm telling you, as a human being, in terms of image or vision based ability or taste based ability or listening ability, like language, because here we have a common language is English. So it can be a listening and speaking ability, or it can be a taste ability. So whatever the ability you are really seeing, it can be a vision, taste, smell, or listening, and these things. Whenever you're talking about this ability, as a human being, we can analyze something, we can identify the pattern in it, and we can make the decision. So that is what, as a human being, we have that ability. So whenever you want to give that ability to a robot, like analyze, identify pattern, and make a decision, where, as I've already told you, the second part of the movie is not, part of this clip is not right, where simply by providing a data, your robot can't learn. So you need to use something to make the robot to analyze the data, identify pattern in the data, and make a decision data. That can be done with the help of machine learning or deep learning, guys. If you are clear about ML and DL, you just post clear ML DL in your live chat. Okay, so that is what machine learning and deep learning is all about. So whenever you're talking about this machine learning and deep learning, which is gonna be helpful for making it to analyze, identify pattern, and making a decision from the data, that is what machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so let me repeat. As a human being, we need to transfer our experience or knowledge in the format of data. From the data, that robot is going to learn and it is going to perform. That is what AI is, which is going to solve a certain problem. That is what AI is. On the other hand, simply by providing a data, your robot can't learn. So we need to give that ability to analyze the data, identify the pattern in the data, and making a decision from the data. So that's what the ability we have. So if you want to give that ability to a machine, so that can be done with the help of machine learning and deep learning. If you are clear about ML and DL, guys, you just post clear ML DL in your live chat, guys. All people, just give your comments in the live chat. So it's CKP. Whoa, what an energy of you, sir. Enjoying the session. Thank you so much, CKP, for posting that. Thank you so much. So thank you, super clear ML and DL. Pramodini, thank you so much. So now we'll go into the core part to understand the hero of the series. Guys, how many of you really used to have a confusion between, like Sanjay, my friends and my colleagues? They used to talk about data analysis, data science and all. But still, Sanjay, I don't know the difference between data analysis, data science, big data, data engineering, those things. How many are really having a confusion? If you're really having a confusion, you just post, I have Sanjay in your live chat. Okay? So you just post, I have in your live chat. Dilip, that's why I told you, Dilip. I can't answer all the 261 people at the live. Okay? Whatever the questions you have, stay connected with me, note down the questions, and you can ask all your questions at the end of the session. Okay? I hope you understood. So, yes, a lot of people are posting, I have. That's amazing. So guys, to understand this data analysis and business analysis and data science and those stuff, I really want to explain this in a real life example. First, all people just consider some companies. You can consider any company, guys. Swiggy, Uber Eats, Zomato, Foodpanda, or even Netflix, or Amazon Prime, or Flipkart, or Amazon, or Redbus, or Oyo Rooms, or even anything, okay, or even TCS or Tech Mahindra, any company, okay, whenever you are talking about any company, you just consider any company you really want. Now, we all love food, right? So that's why I'm going to take restaurant as an best example. Okay. So the first thing which we are going to discuss is, okay, guys, you can consider any company. Don't just imagine only a restaurant. So you can consider any type of company. But now I'm going to take a restaurant. You just imagine in the story, this restaurant has been started at 2005. When restaurant has been started in 2005, restaurant is really doing really great. Okay, where the sale is really good. So even though restaurant is running very well, the restaurant's manager, he used to maintain all the data properly. Okay, data in the sense, point number one, transaction data. Transaction is there, like there will be one person sitting in the billing counter who used to bill like how many paneer butter masala, chapati, roti. So that transaction data, point number one. And second data is customers data. And third data is customers reviews. And fourth data is products data, like all the dishes related data. And fifth data is employees data, like employees reports, complete thing. And sixth data is a finance data, like the salary lifted or the expenses for paying the current electricity bill, or paying the rent or anything. So likewise, financial data. So it can be any type of company. They will be doing lot of analysis. Here, since it is a restaurant, he used to have transaction data, customers review data, product data, employee data, review data. So likewise, this company manager used to maintain all the data, and that data might be in the format of Excel file, that might be in the format of CSV file, that might be in the format of notepad file, that might be and also these files might be kept in hard disk, or it might be kept in servers, it can be kept in database, or it can be kept in laptop, pen drives, or system, anything, but he's maintaining the data. That is the point number one in the story. If you all really with me in the story, you just post with you Sanjay in the chat. And in 2010, suddenly sales gone down. You don't know the reason. Suddenly why the suddenly why the sale is getting very bad. I don't know what is the reason. He is very scared about it. He don't know what is the reason why the sale is really, really bad. But even though sale is very bad at 2010, he's still maintaining the data. Okay, he is still maintaining all the transaction data, all the same data which I talked about, right? The transaction data, customer data, review data, employee data, and product data, and finance data. So likewise, he's still maintaining the data, but even though they say company is not working good. In 2010, he is doing some changes. Like he is modifying his business based on his own assumption. Like assumption in the sense, I will tell you some poor example. Yeah, poor example. So he is simply tasting all the North Indian dish, and he don't like it personally, so he is changing a North Indian chef. So likewise, he is changing ambience, he is changing a marketing strategy, he is changing a chef. So likewise, he is doing lot of modification in his business. But in 2010, what are all the modification which has been done by him? All because of assumption. What it really caused is, in 2011, sales gone very bad. Because I don't know how many of you people here wanted to become an entrepreneur, guys. If you wanted to become an entrepreneur, all the very best. But for you all people, I would like to tell you something. If you are become an entrepreneur, if you are running a certain company or business, you should never ever make emotional decisions. That's what this manager also made. Because he used to change a lot of things in his business on his own assumption. So that's why in 2011, sales gone very, 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 very bad. So now he found out, he found that I made a mistake. I shouldn't have made I shouldn't have done a assumption based decision. So that's when he is realizing, okay, we always should make a data based decisions. Okay. So if you want to make a data driven decisions, now the company manager is deciding, okay, I want to make a data based decisions. Now He's simply opening the data like this, guys. He opened all the 2005 to 2010 data like this. And guys, as a normal human being, can you able to get any insight from the data? Can you tell me which product affected our sales margin by simply seeing this data? Can you tell me? Just tell me yes or no in your live chat. Okay, is it really easy to make any decision from the data? You just imagine, you just see all the data. You just imagine this is a Swiggy's sample data. So they will have all the customers information, customer name, customer ID, customer email ID, phone number, sign up date, address, and loyalty points, and all the restaurant information, restaurant name, address, cuisine type, rating, and all the menu items and the menus price and vegetarian or non-vegetarian, and all the order in each and every order from which customer we have got, from which restaurant we have got, and total price and order items and delivery person. Likewise, you just imagine this. Yes, lot of posting. No, exactly. You can't get any insight from the data. So that's where this company is going to recruit a data guys. Data guys gonna be called as data analysis or data scientist or anyone like that. That people will be are gonna be responsible for getting insights from the data. So from that insights, whenever companies are making a decision, so that company is going to grow a lot. Okay, do you really love this story, guys? Do you really understood why the data guys are really important? So if you really understood clearly, guys, you just post super clear Sanjay Neelacha, guys. Okay, whenever you are talking about any type of company, that company wanted to make a lot type of decisions. It can be a product decision, it can be a sales type of decision, it can be a marketing decisions, it can be a customers decisions, and likewise lot of decisions should be made by company always. But if the company are making emotional decisions, that company can't grow because it is not a good sign. So company want to make a data driven decision, but if the company opened their all the data will be so dirty and so clumsy. So that's why one company will struggle a lot to make any decision from the data. So that is where they're recruiting a data guys to make the decision from the data, to convert the dirty data into insightful data, so that company will make a decision from the insight which is being given by a data guys, so that company is going to grow. Okay, super clear, Sanjay. Super clear. Thank you so much, Shushma. And also, please, thank you so much for mentioning my name as well. Thank you. That's a lot. So, whenever you are talking about the company's data, company data will be looking like this, which is going to be so clumsy. So, while talking about the data guys, now I just commonly tell data guys, but there are a lot of data related jobs out there. On that, the first job which we are going to talk about is data engineer. So, guys, while talking about a data engineer, let me give a quick overview. Data engineer job is to convert dirty data into high quality data for the next people called a data analyst or data scientist. That is what the data engineer's job role is. So data engineer won't be there in a smaller level of company like startups and all. Data engineer won't be there because data engineering job should be done by data analyst as well. But in a mid level of company and bigger level of company, definitely there will be a data engineer. Their job is to majority on acquiring a data and converting a dirty data into high quality data for the next upcoming team called data analyst and data scientist. Okay, now let me explain it clearly. The first job they will be doing is a data pipeline construction. What is mean by that? Simple, guys. You just imagine, as a company, they might run Google ads, they might run Facebook ads, they might run YouTube ads, they might be they might be collecting the payments through PayPal or Razorpay or Stripe or something. So whenever a company is using a lot of tools for marketing or sales or customers acquisition, likewise, there might be using a lot of tools. As a data engineer, you need to create a pipe to connect those kind of application to acquire the data from those application and feed into the certain place. Like you will be doing it. That is what the data pipeline construction. If you are clear about data pipeline, guys, you just post DP in your live chat, clear DP, where you'll be using a tool such as like Apache Kafka or Apache Nifi or Amazon Kinesis and etc., where you will create a data pipelines to acquire the data from Google AdSense or Facebook AdSense or LinkedIn marketing or what to say, YouTube ads or Facebook ads, or you'll be acquiring the data from the payment gateways like PayPal. So likewise, you will collect or you will create a pipeline to acquire the data from various sources, and we are going to keep it in a certain place. That place is called database. Because you just imagine, even though you have created a pipeline, the data need to be that kind of data from various application need to flow from one place to some certain protected place, because you can't save all the company's confidential data in the local system. Do you really think company Swiggy and Zomato kind of company will save the data in local system like this? No. Every data just need to be protected in a certain place called databases. And while talking about database, sometimes there is different type of there. So MySQL is there, PostgreSQL is there, MongoDB is there, Oracle database is there, and even in Azure or even in AWS, there is a lot of database out there. So that is what the data mass management. And warehousing is also same thing, where the data which is going to be protected in a certain place, that place which should be protected, which should be supporting the other tools which the data analyst might be using later. But another primary job is, these are all data acquisition and storing, but this is the very important process called ETL. ETL is nothing but extract, transform, and load. What is mean by extract? Extract is this thing where you will be acquiring the data from various sources, and transform is converting dirty data into high quality data, and then finally you will be loading the data for the next upcoming team called data analyst or data scientist. They will be acquiring the cleaned data from you. This is what the role of data engineer, guys. If you are clear about data engineer, you just post clear DE in your live chat. Because in Google, you can just type data engineer average salary in India, which is gonna be around 58,000 to 59,000 take home salary. So what is the primary job of data engineer? Their main job is to create a data pipeline, and they will be morely working on the databases to for doing a data acquisition, and also to transform from dirty into quality data, and they will be loading it for other teams called data analyst and data scientist. That is what the data engineer will do. If you are clear about data engineer, you just post clear DE in your live chat. Now we'll talk about data analyst, guys. This is going to be very, very interesting. I hope you really love it. So data analyst, as I've already told you, in a smaller level of company, as a data analyst, you should do the work of data engineer as well as data analyst role. But data analyst work primarily on, if it is a bigger team, data engineer will give you a cleaned data. But if you are as a smaller and mid level of company, again you will have a very dirty data. So your job is to convert this kind of uninformative, dirty, and very clumsy data into informative dashboard like this. This is what the role of data analyst, to convert the data in uninformative data into informative dashboard like this. Guys, is it awesome? Do you really love this? If you really love this data analyst, you just post love this Sanjay live chat. Or if you really love this dashboard, you just post love this Sanjay live chat. So do this dashboard, which is going to be created by the tools such as like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Looker Studio, and etc. Because as a company, if you are seeing this, you can't make any decision. But same time, tada, when it is being created like a dashboard like this, you can make lot of decisions. Can you see that? Do you really love this dashboard? Can you see that? Even as a normal human being, we can make a lot of decisions. Just see, let me show you a demo. This is the dashboard which has been created by Excel. Look how that in 2018 May, sale is 1,69,258 rupees, which is 6% less when comparing with the previous year. Whereas quantity also 8% less when comparing with the previous year. Order is also 5% less when comparing with the previous year. And customer also, there is no improvement. So guys, what is the real job of marketing team? Marketing team's main job is to acquire new customers. So from this dashboard, we can easily tell what the hell the marketing team is doing. Okay. So guys, do you really love this point? Okay. Simply by converting uninformative data into informative dashboard like this, you can able to make lot of decisions. That decision might be a financial decisions or product decisions or employees decisions or product decisions or customers decisions. Likewise, your company can able to make lot of decisions if you are converted that uninformative data into informative dashboard like this. And even you can see what are all the very poorest selling products. Fried frozen bananas, dried grapes, tea time cookies, Sprite and Coke. These are all very poorest selling product. And from me, female and male, we have got more sales from a male customer, male gender. And if I'm simply selecting a Darwin, from the Darwin city, what are all the sales information? Darwin city made 10,000 as a sales on 2018 May, which is for 19% less when comparing the previous year. And quantity of the Darwin city, order of the quantity Darwin city, and 59 customers from the Darwin city. And these are all the top 5 product: cake in a cup, peanuts, frozen grapes, and grappo and lota pie. And from female, we have got more sales. And even from the female, from the 36 to 39 age category, we have got more sales. Okay, guys, this is what the role of data analyst. Data analyst primary job is to convert uninformative data into informative dashboard like this. Okay, so for that, first skill which all data analysts should have is a SQL skill. So SQL is the place where you can able to acquire the data from the databases. So SQL is a very important skill we should have. And to have a reporting, that the dashboard which I've shown you, know. So to create that kind of reporting, you need the tools such as like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, or Google Sheets. Google Looker Studio and etc. Because I know a person who completed only Excel also, who is working as a data analyst, who completed only SQL as also working as a data analyst. So that is what the thing. And you'll be doing a trend analysis in the sense which is really normal and abnormal. You just imagine if you are really seeing the Amazon sales graph. If there is a peak at March and November, there is a one sales peak, and December there is a sales peak, which is abnormal. March is abnormal. Why? Because in November there might be some Diwali sale. In December there might be a Christmas sale or New Year sale. Then the March, if there is a sales peak, there is some that is abnormal, like trend analysis. And even the performance metrics, like analyzing the KPI of the company, key performance indicator. Here the amount, profit, quantity, order, customers, top 5 product, bottom 5 product, customer demographics. These are all the KPIs is all about. Okay, key performance indicator for the companies. So this kind of analysis you will be doing as a data analyst. If you are clear about the data analyst, guys, you just post clear DA in your live chat. And also those people who really wanted to learn everything in a practical way, stay connected with me. We are moving on to the practical very soon. So be ready for it. Okay. So this is what the data analyst will do. You can just see this picture where your majority of the job will be on data visualization, storytelling, business insights, and reporting. So this is what data analyst will do. Okay. Clear DA. That's amazing, guys. Even I would like to tell you example. You just imagine there is city 1, city 2, city 3. You are a data analyst in Swiggy. In city 1, there are 500 Swiggy customers. In city 2, there are just 10 Swiggy customers. In city 3, there are just 5 Swiggy customers. What if 500 Swiggy customers from city 1, they are ordering paneer butter masala, rotis and naans, kind of North Indian dish from city 3. Even though the delivery time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. What is the reason you think why they are ordering all the North Indian dish from city 3, guys? You just tell me what is the reason. Yes, of course, taste is the reason. But as in a business perspective, you can easily tell that there is no good North Indian restaurant in city 1. So that's what the reason where people are ordering naan and paneer butter masala kind of North Indian dish from city 2. City 1. So if you are finding out this problem statement, and if you are recommending your Swiggy company that there is no good North Indian restaurant in city 1, what if Swiggy is collaborating with any North Indian restaurant and starting up one new North Indian restaurant in city 1, the sales of North Indian restaurant is going to be high and they are going to get a commission from that restaurant, and the sales of Swiggy is also going to be high. Okay, guys, do you really love this example? If you really love this example, you just post love this Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So, while talking about the data analyst, your job is to convert uninformative data into informative dashboard. And what is another very important thing on data analyst is Nowadays, even a very startup and small companies, they are recruiting a data analyst. Okay, they really want it, because whenever you are talking about the startup, they will recruit only a technical people. But nowadays, they are even recruiting a data analyst, guys. So that's why data analyst is very easy to get the job. So data analyst job is also another job role which is out there. Now, we'll talk about the ML engineering and data scientist, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Sharan love this, Mohammed love this, Lisha love this, and Kunal Kumar love this, and Nagesh love this, and Jyoti love this. Thank you so much, guys. And Tejal Jadeja posted love this, and Hitakshi Patel love this, and Pramodini love this, and Shugani love this. Thank you so much for all the love which you're sharing, guys. Thank you so much. Now, let us understand what the ML engineer and data scientist are doing in common. So to understand that, let us go with the real life example, guys. And also in few minutes, I'm going to give you an opportunity to get the complete recordings. And also in few minutes, I'm going to give you the, give you the free course. And also attendance link will be shared at any point of the live, so don't miss it. So now what all people do is just open your Swiggy or Zomato kind of any type of companies, and you just open their recommended category and you just tell me what is recommending for you, guys. Okay, I just opened my Swiggy account, and for me it is recommending me A to B for some vegetarian dish, and Cadbury House for coffee, and McDonald's for some junk foods. So these are the things is recommending for me. Same as like when you have visited Redbus, it will show you some recommended bus. Okay, so whenever you are talking about this kind of applications, there is something behind this application which is analyzing your past search history. It is analyzing your past visits. It is analyzing your past interaction. It is analyzing your past booking. It is analyzing your past order. Based on your past history and based on the past these things, it is predicting the future. It is predicting what customer might love. Okay, that is gonna be created by this ML engineers and data scientists, guys. If you are clear about MLE and DS, you just post clear MLE DS in your live chat. This is what their common job where they'll be doing. They will be creating a model or algorithm development. So, which is gonna be helpful for doing a customization. Personalization. Because you just imagine, I'm a vegetarian. You just imagine I'm a vegetarian. I always used to order vegetarian dish. What if it's Sunday afternoon, it is recommending me, Sanjay, do you want chicken biryani? We can give you 60% offer. Do you really think I will order something? Definitely not, right? Because I'm a vegetarian, why the hell it is recommending me a non-vegetarian dish? So that's what the wrong recommendation is. So as a ML engineer or data scientist, your job is to acquire all the past data, and you need to create a very good ML and DL algorithm to predict the future well. Even if you have got the job in banking sectors, or even as I've already told you, this series is for any people from any department, even from mechanical department, medical department, or electrical department, or finance department, commerce, or anything. So you have a past data. If you have got a job in finance department, you can able to see the spending pattern of a people, like what is their salary, what is their income, what is their spend. You can easily predict that whether this person will require a loan or not, whether that person require a credit card or not. That all the prediction can be created by this ML and or deep learning. That is going to be done by the help of ML engineers and data scientists, guys. So guys, are you clear about MLEs, a machine learning engineer? Very clear. Thank you so much, Lisha Artistic, for posting that. But additionally, what ML engineers will be working on is, they will be working on maintaining the model. You just imagine another example I'll tell you. If I'm a vegetarian, I always keep on ordering vegetarian dish. So it is already recommending me all the vegetarian dish. Suddenly, if I shifted to non-vegetarian, my model need to be updated. My model need to be optimized. My model need to be maintained. My model need that ML or DL model need to be deployed in the Swiggy application or Zomato application. So that thing is also being handled by ML engineers, where You will be not only working on creating a very good model or creating a very good ML or DL model, you will be working on a maintenance as well. Okay, managing the ML model which has been already deployed or deploying the model. That is where as a ML engineer will be working on ML modeling, deployment as well as the ML ops. So guys, are you clear? Are you all really satisfied, guys? If you are really thinking session is going good, you just post GG Sanjay Nilachar, going good. So while talking about machine learning engineer average salary, which is around 49,000 to 51,000 take home salary. So that's what ML engineers will be doing. Algorithm development, model deployment, model monitoring, and collaborative model building. So you'll be working together with the team to build the model. And now, while talking about the data scientist, where you will be doing ML modeling, of course, the same thing which I've already discussed, and statistics and experimentation. Okay, you just imagine. Okay, I would like to show you a real life example. So if you are really excited to see that, you just post excited Sanjay in your live chat. So let us imagine I'm going to compare data analyst and data scientist, what they'll be doing. Just imagine. In the Facebook, let us try Swiggy. Okay. So wait a minute. Really going good. Thank you so much, guys. That's amazing. So you just imagine whenever you're talking about Swiggy or any company you really want, you can just consider. They used to run a lot of ads, right? For an example, Swiggy used to running 490 ads. Okay, 490 results we are getting. So, okay, wait a minute. Let me show you 4 campaigns. Okay, so these are all campaigns. Okay, campaign 1, campaign number 2, campaign number 3, campaign number 4. Okay, these are all nothing but campaigns. Okay, so yeah. So now you have 4 images in front of you. This is campaign number 1. This is campaign number 2. This is campaign number 3. And this is campaign number 4. So guys, which campaign is really forcing you to order something? Is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or something? You just tell me. So it is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Which is really forcing you to order something? Here they have chosen some noodles. And here also some noodles with 20% offer. Here flat 20-25 offer. And here some get up to 50% offer. Here also get 50% offer. But it is cake. It seems to be. Or here it is a pizza. So you just tell me what you really love to order, guys. Because as a data analyst, if this campaign which has been already launched, you will find out which campaign is performing, which campaign is not performing well. From which campaign we are getting an order, from which campaign we are not getting an orders. So that's what as a data analyst you will be doing. But as a data scientist, before even getting launched sometimes, by using an AI algorithm, by passing these kind of parameter, you will predict whether which campaign will work in the future. So even before it launching, you will be doing lot of experimentation and you will be finding out which will work and which is not going to work, and lot of advanced analysis and all you will be working on. That's what the data scientist will do, guys. So guys, are you clear about data scientist? If you are clear about data scientist, you just post clear DS in your live chat. And data scientist average salary is around 72,000 to 74,000 take home salary. Guys, is it amazing? Okay, if you are clear about DS, you just post clear DS in your live chat. Thank you so much, Ankita Singh, for posting clear DS. Kotra, Yashashwini, and Pramodini, and Shaik, and Kunal, and Ravindra. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Now, here is the place a lot of people used to make a lot of mistakes. People used to think, if I'm good at programming, or if I'm good at designing, or if I'm good at math, and if I'm good at tools, I can become a good data guy. How many of you used to believe this? If you also used to believe this, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. For you all people, I would like to tell you something. It's not mean that you are good at programming and designing and math and tools will make you a good data guy. Guys, it won't. Because you just imagine, even though you are good at all these 4, you have created some good looking dashboard. You just imagine, if your company is already making 10 crore of revenue, but from the dashboard which you have made, if that company is moving from 10 crore to 8 crore, do you really think your company is going to call you a good data guy? Definitely not, right? That's why I'm telling you, No one is going to pay you just you are good at coding and math and tools and algorithm. They will pay you well when you have added tangible value to their business. It is not about only those things. It's about how you are using that to understand the business problem and providing the solution that will make you a good data guy with a high paying salary. If it is really making sense, you just post make sense Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, that's where a lot of people used to pay 3 lakh rupee for full stack data science course, and that complete 3 lakh, which is only on the tools, their money is got wasted because as an initial commitment, you can get the job, but if you want to get a high paying salary, you need the business understanding skill. You should know if you are doing a marketing analysis, you should know what is mean by what are all the KPIs on the marketing, what are all the KPIs on the sales, what are all the KPIs of the overall company. So likewise, you should understand the business well. So that's what I'm telling you. It's not about those tools. It's about how much understanding you are towards having a business to solve a certain problem. And if you really wanted to know about the roadmap to become a data scientist, I would like to show you this. So if you wanted to take a screenshot, you can just take a screenshot. The first skill which you need to master is Excel, which is the mother of data analysis tool, because I know people who master only Excel who is working as a data analyst even. So Excel is the first tool. And second thing is a statistical skill, which you might have studied in your school days and college days, mean, median, standard deviation, and those things. And programming, while talking about a programming, you have a Python and R programming and other programming languages, and especially SQL you need to master. And data visualization skill, how you are really visualizing your data. And NumPy and Pandas kind of library, which is going to be helpful for processing a data from the Python program. And BI tools. BI tool is nothing but business intelligence tools what to say? Well, it is BI tools like business intelligence tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Google Looker Studio. So these are all the tools which is all about. And database skills like MySQL, MongoDB, and machine learning, and deep learning, and NLP, plus business understanding. This is going to be the roadmap to become a data scientist, guys. So if you have taken a screenshot, just leave one thumbs up emoji in the live chat, guys. Okay, if you have taken a screenshot of the journey to become a data scientist, you just leave one thumbs up emoji in the live chat so that I can skip my slide or I can change my slide. Just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so and also I'm going to show you how to search for the job and another very shocking surprise which is waiting for you. So be ready for it. But other than that, are you all satisfied up to now? Okay, so I would like to show you that. Okay, thank you so much for posting thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys. Now, I don't know how many of you people have realized this. Now the time is 7:55, guys. So out of this 2-hour session today, how was your 1 hour gone, guys? You just share your experience before. Yes, today's session is longer. Again, we are going to cover the rest of the 1 hour. But before that, you just tell me how was your this 1 hour went. How was my teaching methodology? Did you guys have really got the very good clarity? Because we guys have discussed about the hierarchy on AI and data science, and we have discussed about artificial intelligence, and we have discussed about the machine learning or deep learning, and we guys have discussed about the and then we have discussed about the data engineering and data analyst and ML engineer and data scientist. These are all the things we guys have explored. So 1 hour. Great learn. It was interesting, super amazing. Look out that, guys. Oh my God, that's amazing. Thank you so much for all the love, guys. All the love. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So now, before going with the other concepts, as I've already told you, yes, guys, today I'm going to talk about the generative AI as well. So I'm going to show you a demo within a few minutes. But before going further, those people who really want the recording, please give me the permission to talk about the opportunity which we are having. You just give me a PG in your live chat, permission granted. Okay, so that I can able to talk about the opportunity which you can able to get the recording of this complete 30 days. And after completing that 5-minute discussion on it, then we will be moving on to the generative AI demo and which the tool which we have created. Yes, as I already told you, it is a product-based company. We have created a tool by having a generative AI as the thing. And also I'm going to talk about the computer vision, natural language processing and all. Still now I haven't explored. So those things we are going to explore. But before that, I just need 5 minutes of time to give you an opportunity to talk about it. Thank you so much. PG. That's great, guys. So, guys, how many of people really want first the complete 30 days of recording? If you want the complete 30 days of recording, you just post I want in your live chat. And how many of you people really want the complete material, like all the PPT, mind map, source code, data set, trained model file? How many of you really want all the material which has been used on the complete 30 days? If you wanted it, you just post I want in your live chat. And how many of you really want unlimited live sessions at some weekends to clear your doubts and to add immense value to your career? If you want it, you just post I want it in the live chat. And how many of you really want a private social media where you can able to collaborate with a team and you can able to complete a lot of tasks like by creating a chat dashboard on Tableau, dashboard on Power BI, dashboard on Excel, and even creating a EXE application using Python, creating a web application using Python, and generative AI project, and MySQL project, MongoDB data project. So likewise, how many will really want this community access? If you want it, you just post I want in your live chat. How many of you people really like, Sanjay, I'm literally zero on this concept. I need your guidance to navigate me or handhold me from the basic or zero to the advanced level of AI and data science career. If you really want it, you just post yes, Sanjay, in your live chat. If your answers were yes for these questions, we are providing 3-month online internship program. It is having 5 course bundle with a lifetime validity. Out of that, the first bundle which we are providing is a artificial intelligence bundle, where you will build 25 plus projects under the category of chatbot, Python programming, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, how to use AI in cloud, how to use AI in hardware. Under this category, you will build 25 projects, which is a 30 hours of course bundle. This course bundle, which is available in English as well as in Tamil. So this is the first course you will get. And second bundle which you'll be getting is the machine learning internship bundle, where you will be getting to know about supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Under this 3 learning, you will build 28 plus projects, which is also a 30 hours of course bundle, which is also available in English as well as in Tamil. This is the second course bundle you will get. And third course bundle which you'll be getting is the data analytics internship bundle, where you have taken one screenshot, right? Based on that screenshot, this bundle which has been created, where you'll be learning about Excel, statistics, Power BI, Tableau, MySQL, MongoDB, Python, machine learning, deep learning. So under this category, this is the course bundle which you have created is a data analytics internship bundle. This is also a 30 hours of course bundle, which is also going to cover all the 70 plus concepts. If you are really interested in it, guys, you just post interested Sanjay in your live chat. And the fourth bundle which you'll be getting is the Python bundle, where you'll be mastering the Python from the basic to the advanced level of Python. Even we have kept Python at fourth course bundle, because already you might have built 45 plus projects on the first 3 course bundle, but now this of Python is the fourth bundle. And fifth bundle is a deep learning internship bundle, where you will build 15 plus projects, which is also a 30 cost of course bundle, which is available in English. So where you'll be working with the ANN, CNN, RNN, and all other frameworks like TensorFlow, Cafe, PyTorch, MXNet, and those things. And apart from that, you will be receiving an offer letter, guys. How many will really want an offer letter? Yes. Dear, your name will be printed. This is a personalized internship offer letter. The company branding will be there, and founder signature and founder seal, company seal will be there, and started in the intent will be mentioned. This is the personalized internship offer letter on AI and data science. This offer letter also will be receiving it, and also you'll be receiving a 5 internship certificate, 5 individual internship certificate. So 5 internship certificate is like AI internship certificate, machine learning internship certificate, data analytics internship certificate, Python internship certificate, and deep learning internship certificate. So likewise, you'll be receiving a 5 individual internship certificate, which you can able to complete it anytime you really want. And also you'll be receiving a 6th certificate called 3-month internship certificate on AI and data science, where start date and then end date will be mentioned, your name will be printed. So that is what the 3-month internship certificate will be receiving. So the total value, if you are really summing it up, which is going to be around more than 57,000. But those people who are all registering within a 60-minute, I'm going to give this complete bundle just at the rupees of 1499 with a lifetime validity, guys. If you are really believing it is an awesome offer, you just post AO in your live chat. All the 5 courses video recording, all the 5 courses PPT, PDF, mind map, source code, data set, trained model file, all the 5 courses project source codes, and private community lifetime access, and weekend live sessions, or sometimes some weekend live sessions, and 5 individual internship certificates and offer letter. Everything you'll be getting at 1499 with a lifetime validity, guys. And now some people might be putting a message like, Sanjay, you called me for free, then why you are asking me a money? Guys, it's very simple. We are not like other company where they have taken 90-minute class and asking you to pay 1.5 lakh, 90,000 or 80,000 with an EMI option and 20,000. No. Every day 7 p.m. this data science live will be conducted. But those people who want this 30 days recording plus 4 courses recording, those people who want all those 5 courses, PPT, PDF, mind map, source code, data set, trained model file, those people who want an internship offer letter, those people who want the 5 internship certificate, those people who really want 3-month internship certificate, only for those people we have given this complete bundle even at an affordable price. Even we can charge it at 15,000, but we really want to make it at this huge bundle to be affordable for even the middle class people at just rupees of 1499 with a lifetime validity. So those people who really wanted to make the decision, my team have given the link in the live chat. You can click that link and register for it. And another very important thing, if you really having a trust issues, Sanjay, how can we believe you? I can show you a live proof. It is not a screenshot. You can see how many students we have in our community, guys. Okay, in our portal where you will get access of all the 5 courses which I've talked about. So that same portal which I opened as an admin, and you can see how many students we have in our community. We have 63,776 students there in our community, guys. Okay, is it awesome? If it is really awesome, you just post awesome in your live chat, guys. We have 63,776 students there in our community. So you are not alone, which is a very huge community. And also while checking out the review, while comparing with the other e-learning platform, so here you can see the number of reviews which we used to have, which is around 4.8 star 26,000 review, which we used to have. That's another thing you need to compare. And another very important thing, you can see Aniket Chatpala posted something like, I would like to thank Pantech and Sanjay for their awesome masterclass of Python.AI and great Raspberry Pi internship, which helped me to crack a job as a Raspberry Pi developer. The knowledge I got in this industry has been so much valued in my job. So he's not only got the job, his knowledge which has been so much valued in his company. And also this is another review which has been posted by a person, Abdullah Mullah. I'm doing data science and AI course since 2021. But I could not get the logic behind deep learning, NLP, DNN, CV and many more. But here in Pantech, Sanjay sir, who is younger than instructor from other institute, taught me the concept in such a simple and lucid manner that every concept of deep learning, AI, data science is getting clear day by day. I'm sure if I spend half the time which I spend with other institution, I will become master in data science and AI branch of studies. Every teacher teaches. But teacher who teaches through tools or ordinary teacher, and teachers who taught from heart is Sanjay sir. That's what the review which has been posted by the people. So that's why I hope you really can able to believe us right now. This is a 20 years of product-based company. Those people who really wanted to learn from this type of company, this is the right time to make the decision. My team have given the link in the live chat. You can just click that link and register for it right now. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, what we are really going to do is, I'm going to show you one of the important thing. Okay, we are going to just do or play the interaction game. Okay, all people. Okay, I'm going to keep on listing down the topics, I'm going to keep on listing down some of the topics, and you are going to just respond me whether you have worked on the topic or not. Okay, that's what this game which you are going to play. Are you ready? So if you are ready, you just post ready Sanjay Nilacha, guys. Guys, now I'm going to list down the topic names and you are going to tell me whether you have worked in this topic or not. Okay, so wait a minute. I'm going to open this and I'm going to start reading out those topics to you. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, ready Sanjay. That's amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all the people who are given the comments. So guys, how many of you people really know how to do a data acquisition stuff? How to do a data acquisition and how to visualize the data. If you have worked on it, you just post yes. Else you just post no in your live chat. And how many of people really worked on the libraries like NumPy library, Pandas library and Matplotlib library? And how many of you people have worked on statistical learning and data visualization? And how many of you people have worked on the algorithm like k nearest neighbor algorithm? And how many of you people really worked on the computer vision concept to process the color image and image analysis? And how many of you people really worked on the CNN, convolutional neural network, and kernels and layers of CNN and testing a convolutional neural network? And how many of you really worked on natural language processing, especially on text normalization and bag of words? And how many of you really worked on the TF-IDF vectorizer, NLTK, natural language toolkit? And how many of you really worked on how to find out the best model by analyzing the underfitting, perfect fitting, overfitting, and what is the accuracy of the model, precision of the model, recall of the model, F1 score of the model, and how many of you really know these things, guys? And now, guys, do you guys have any guesses whose curriculum it is? I've just shouted out the one of the curriculum. You just tell me, do you guys have any guesses that whose curriculum it is? Yes, just tell me. It is new to everything. Okay, a lot of people are posting it. Guys, this curriculum is for the 10th standard school students. Okay, 10th standard school student 2024 to 2025. This current academic year, the school syllabus is this. So now, how many of you really feeling like shocking surprise that we should act faster? And how many of you people really get scared because 10th standard students are started learning artificial intelligence? And even this curriculum is not other countries' curriculum. This is the curriculum of one of the Tamil Nadu school syllabus, 10th standard for this academic year 2024 to 2025. So this is what 10th standard students are learning, guys. So that's why I'm telling you, you should be act faster to learn and master AI and data science part. Because if 10th standard students are learning that, you just imagine what other people are really used to do it. So that's why people who really wanted to make the decision. So this is the right time to make the decision. So I'm really sorry, I forgot to start down the countdown timer. So let me start down the countdown timer for... Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start down the countdown timer for 60 minutes. So those people who really wanted to get this kind of huge bundle with an affordable price at 1499. So this is the right time to make the decision. You can just click that link and register for it. Now, we'll be continuing our technical part of the session, guys. Are you ready to move further? If you are really ready and excited to move further, you just post ready Sanjay Nilacha, guys. So guys, up to now, we guys have discussed various job roles, right? So we guys have discussed about the artificial intelligence engineering, and also we guys have discussed about the ML or DL, and also we guys have discussed about the data engineer and data analyst and data scientist and ML engineers and those stuffs. Now, I'm going to show you a little demo to understand this other parts. So guys, how many of you people have played a snake game in your childhood days? If you have played a snake game in your childhood days, you just post yes Sanjay in live chat. Because so here I would like to show you this demonstration. First, let me show you the manual snake game. I hope you all know the rules and regulation of the snake game. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, wait a minute, guys. I really want to change the environmental variables. Wait a minute. So I hope you all know the rules and regulation of the snake game. So you are gonna be the snake in that game. So the food will be randomly assigned in a certain place in the play area. So once it got assigned, you are going to play that. You're going to play that by using your arrow keys, which is present in your keyboard. So the rule is that snake should not collide with a wall, and that snake should not collide with its own body. So that's what the rule. And whenever it is collided, that's it. Game got over. So that's what the thing. So that's what the game is all about. So now let me show you the manual snake game demo. So you can see here I am playing this game by myself. Okay, I am really operating it, guys. So here I am doing it with the help of my arrow keys, which is present in my laptop. Okay, so here this is what the game which I'm playing by myself. But now here with the help of ML or DL, especially with the help of reinforcement learning, here we will be creating AI to play this game. We'll be making an AI to play this game. Is it awesome? Let me show you a demo. So I'm going to run the AI snake game right now. So wait a minute. Let us wait. Yes. Ta-da! You can just see I'm not playing this game. If you don't believe me, you can see my both the hands are in front of the camera. So now this game which is being played by itself. Is it mind-blowing, guys? If it is really mind-blowing, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat, guys. So that's what I'm telling you. Here, this game which has been played by itself. That is what this power of the artificial intelligence. So here we guys have used the reinforcement learning to make the AI to play this game. So this is what one of the job role where only this kind of data which you are really working on. Here, this is what we guys have did. Okay. Whereas in your project or in the application which you are going to work on, if it is including, if it is including image or video in the project, okay, so image or video, like as I've already told you, this series is for everyone. You might be from any department. So you just imagine you are working in you are from biomedical department or biological department. You'll be working on the analysis like brain tumor detection or lung cancer detection or breast cancer detection, and even the diabetic retinopathy. Because while talking about diabetic retinopathy is like a blood kind of clots or something will be in the eyeballs. So this kind of project, this is all medical image analysis. Even, do you know one thing, in Tamil Nadu there is one popular eye hospital which it has AI enabled equipment to analyze the diabetic retinopathy. So this kind of medical image analysis, because image or video involved in the project. And other project like satellite image analysis, like for maps detecting buildings, rivers, ponds, bridges and those things. And even in agriculture field, detecting their diseases and based on the diseases passing a certain pesticides. And even in an automobile department, so you just imagine this is an autonomous car. If it is an autonomous car, it is nothing but a driverless car. So without a driver, it should detect the road lane, it should detect the road sign like stop, it should detect the nearby vehicles, and it should detect the traffic light. Even in the traffic light, green means it should go and red means it should stop. And it should detect all the things which is present in the road. People might be crossing the road, or dog might be crossing the road, and other plants and things which is all present in the road. Everything need to be detected. Guys, if you are really seeing this video for the first time and if you are really thinking it's awesome, you just post awesome in your live chat. So whenever you are really in your project, whenever image or video involved in your project, machine learning or deep learning is going to be common. As I've already told you, whenever analyze something, identify pattern and make a decision, machine learning or deep learning is going to be there. But other than that, whenever image or video is involved in your project, with the machine learning and deep learning, you need to learn computer vision and computer vision. Are you clear about computer vision, guys? If you are clear about computer vision, you just post clear CV in your live chat. So computer vision, which is gonna be helpful for working with the image and video related projects. So which is gonna be having around 56,000 to 57,000 take home salary. So whenever image or video involved in your project, with the machine learning or deep learning, computer vision is going to be used. If you are clear about CV, you just post clear CV in your live chat, guys. Okay, I've already told you, whenever analyze something, identify pattern and make a decision, ML or DL is going to be there. But apart from the ML and DL, whenever image or video involved in your project, you need to learn computer vision with that. If you are clear with the computer vision, you just post clear CV in your live chat. Whereas, now let us talk about another concept when language is involved in your project. Okay, so language, it might be in the format of text format or audio format. That's the only possibility. So the projects like fake news detection, even when Elon Musk, before Elon Musk bought the Twitter, so it used to block some tweets which has been posted by President of United States. It might be through politics, but other than that, so detecting a messages, detecting a violence in a message, detecting a other content in the message, detecting a spam in the message. Even our Gmail used to categorize the mail based on the promotion tab or spam messages, you know. So email, text-based analysis, and even ChatGPT kind of large language models, or even voice assistants like Google Home or Amazon Alexa or iPhone Siri, or even chatbots. So whenever language is involved in your project, with the machine learning and deep learning, natural language processing is going to be used. If you are clear about NLP, you just post clear NLP in your live chat, guys. Are you clear about NLP? So if you are clear about NLP, you just post clear NLP in your live chat. So that is where natural language processing is going to be coming into this field. Guys, is it amazing? You just give your comments in the live chat, guys. So that is what is all about. So just remember, whenever normal numerical data, ML and DL is enough, machine learning or deep learning is enough. But whenever image or video is involved in your project, you need to learn with the ML and DL, you need to work on computer vision. But whenever language is involved in your project, with the ML and DL, you need to work on natural language processing. So guys, are you all really super satisfied? So if the session is really informative, you just post informative Sanjay in your live chat. So that's what the thing. Okay, even to prove you that, I would like to show you a video clip. Here, this is Dr. Bora from the same movie. So he is also creating a robot. Now he is going to give a voice instruction. He is going to tell walk. This robot is walking backward. And next instruction is walk straight. But now this robot is walking left. So this robot can't able to understand the difference between walk forward and walk left and walk straight. So what the problem that robot has? The robot is not having any problem. This Dr. Bora is so dumb because he can't create a good model which is being powered by NLP with ML or DL, because that model because it's not good. So that's why that robot can't able to understand the difference between walk forward and go left and go right. Okay, guys, is it amazing? That's where NLP with ML or DL model, which is not performing well. At the same time, now he is going to give the next instruction. He is telling, pick up a gun. So instead of picking up the gun, this dumb robot is picking up the burger. This is also so dumb task, right? Because if he is told like pick up a chicken burger instead of picking up the chicken burger, if that robot have picked up the veg burger, it might be considerable, because even though as a human being, we can't able to identify the difference between chicken burger and the veg burger. But here, he is just telling, pick up a gun. Instead of picking up the gun, it's picking up the burger. So, but there is a very huge difference between gun and the burger. So, this dumb Dr. Bora, he can't able to create a very good model by using a computer vision and deep learning concepts, based majority on deep learning in an image and video related task. So that's what the model problem which he is facing. Even in this movie, they used to talk about the neural schema and all. So that is all. For deep learning, there is an alternative name called neural networks. I think they might be referring that. So, but that's true. Whenever you are putting the same model in another robot, that robot also will get the same kind of performance. Okay, guys, do you really love this? If you really love the session up to now, before going for the generative AI, if you really love the session up to now, all people just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, do you really love this session? If you really love up to now, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat. Now, before talking about the generative AI, let us talk about the normal AIs. So up to now, what are the things we have discussed, we have shown. If you are talking about the normal AI, which is gonna be helpful for, doing or predicting a certain thing, like either on classification or even in a regression. For example, normal traditional AI, which is gonna be helpful for finding out whether it is a dog or cat, whether it is a spam message or not a spam message, whether it is positive or negative or neutral, whether it is happy or sad, whether it is a positive message or negative message or neutral message, whether it is cupcake or dog's face. So whether this person will buy the product or not, whether this customer is a high salary with high spend person, or whether that person is a high salary with a low spend person, or whether that person is a low salary with high spend person, or whether that person is a low salary, low spend person. So likewise, that is the one type of task which that traditional AI can do. And second type of task is a regression, or predicting in terms of numbers. What is going to be the future stock price? What is going to be the future land price? Or what is going to be the salary in future? So that is kind of prediction. So these are all the two kind of tasks which the normal traditional AI can do. But other than that, whenever we are talking about the generative AI can do more than that which is going to be helpful for generating some new thing from the input. It can be helpful for generating text to text, or text to image, or text to video, or video to text, or image to text, or video to video. So that is what generative AI, guys. If you are clear about generative AI, you just post clear GAI in your live chat, guys. Now, I would like to show you one demo. Okay, on that, because we have one tool called GrowthFlow.ai, which is a business sales automation tool, sales and marketing automation tool. So while talking about that, automation tool, we have the generative AI. Are you all really excited to see that? If you are really excited to see the real tool, because as I already told you, you are getting trained by a product-based company where you used to create a product. So we have our own product called growthflow.ai. So if you really wanted to see that, you just post excited Sanjay in your live chat. So we have that growthflow tool. Guys, all remember, whenever you're talking about any company, they want to give a customer support, right? If they want to give a customer support, they need to something wanted to learn from the questions and answers. So they want to put a certain people to understand the questions and giving a proper reply. It really requires the manpower. So that's what this documentation is all about. So this documentation, which it is gonna be helpful for, which we have made as a sample documentation, which has question and answer, question answer, question answer. If this question came, this is the answer. If this question came, this is the answer. Likewise, we have made one document, and here we have our tool called Growth Flow tool, which is, as I've already told you, which is going to be helpful for entrepreneurs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this URL. Okay, I'm just going to copy this URL, and I'm going to go into the bot training process, and I'm going to paste this URL. Once I pasted it, if I'm clicked get data, this generative AI behind this, it is going to learn from the data which we have given as an input. It's going to learn from it, guys. Okay, so once it trained from the data, the document which we have given, what it will do is it will learn from it. And when any people are asking a certain question in the sense like, what is the validity of the course? Whenever people are asking a certain question like this from an Instagram message or live chats or anything, it will automatically give the reply like this. Is it awesome? If it is really awesome and mind-blowing, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat, guys. So that's what I'm telling you. So here we have deployed the generative AI behind it. Okay. If it is really mind-blowing, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat. So while talking about the same, even if you are asking, and also this answer is not like if else condition. If this question came, this is the answer. No, it is not like that. Even you can't find this exact answer from this document. So it will rephrase the content. And even though you are asking this same question in a different way, what is the validity or what is the validity of the internship, it will give a proper reply. So that's what the tool which we have. So that's why we have incorporated the generative AI in this tool. So I hope you really enjoyed the generative AI demo is all about. If you really enjoyed it, guys, you just post enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So, and also those people who have made the decision, you will be receiving an offer letter tomorrow, guys. So be ready to get your offer letters. And also, I think 42 minutes were left to register for the 3-month online internship with a lifetime validity. And also, I would like to congratulate the people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship, guys. So wait a minute, let me read out the name. So Aman Shukula, congratulations. And Saladish something, yeah, congratulations for making the decisions. And yes, it's loading. Wait a minute, yeah. And here we have Shri Kundu, congratulations. And Sohel Daima, congratulations. And Bannu Verma, congratulations. And here we have Preeta, congratulations. And Vijay Kumara made it, congratulations. And Sugal Ahmed, congratulations. And Uma, congratulations. And Mitra Ashok, congratulations. And here we have Shushma, congratulations. And Shriyani, congratulations. That's amazing, guys. Lot of people are really making the decision. Great, congratulations. And also a lot of pages going on. So a lot of people have made the decisions. Great, congratulations. The seats were limited. So only I think we can give you around few seats to register for the 3-month online internship. And this course, which is valid for lifetime, guys. And those people who are enrolling for this course, if those people who are registering for this 3-month online internship, you don't want to wait for attendance link, you don't want to wait for the live sessions, you can have that recording with the lifetime validity. You can complete it anytime you really want. And another very important thing is, apart from the 5 recorded courses, you will have some Saturday live sessions where you will learn about this artificial intelligence and data science something further, okay, in detail, even because that generative AI demo which I've shown you, right? So based on that, we have even created one tool in our session, the fully functioning tool. So likewise, we'll be having some bonus session, and doubt will be cleared from this bootcamp session. That is also, you can attend it for free. And sometimes we used to conduct the hackathons where you will be not only going to learn it, you will be doing it, because previously I've shown you this task section where I will teach you to create a dashboard. And by following me, you will be creating the whole complete dashboard on Excel, whole complete dashboard on Power BI, whole complete dashboard on Tableau. Even this is one of the dashboard which we have created by using an Excel KPI analysis on website visits and those things. Look out that how many people have created this awesome dashboard. Same as like, look out that a Power BI dashboard. So while talking about the Power BI dashboard, you can see lot of people have created this dashboard. Do you really see? Can you see it is really looking professional? How many of you really wanted to create this kind of dashboard, guys? If you wanted, you just post, I wanted Sanjay Neelachar, Amandeep Singh sir, I've created this. And Marilyn, I've created this. Chimli Vedas, I created this. Saravanan created this. And Aryan Mishra created some amazing, very good looking dashboard. Even he's followed the KFC color theme, because here we have did the KFC analysis. Here followed that color theme like red and then black and then white. And this is also really looking professional. So likewise, you are not only going to learn it, you will be doing it. I will make you to do it. So that's what this hackathon will be doing. That's what you'll be getting an access. And that's also going to be absolutely included in this 3-month online internship on AI and data science, which is just a one-time payment where you'll be getting access for all the things which I'm talking about. And even if you wanted to check out the reviews, which we used to have around 26,000 4.8 star reviews. And another very important thing, even though it has been given at an affordable price, it's not mean that quality is being compromised. Not ever. Because I can show you a proof. Jitendra Pagre. Guys, I am Jitendra from Mumbai. I think this course is great. I have MSc in Artificial Intelligence. I will be enrolling soon, but really this course looks promising. Look out that one degree holder in Artificial Intelligence who used to tell this our course is promising. Why should a person who invested lakhs of rupees to masters to get the degree in Artificial Intelligence who used to tell our course is promising? So that's why I'm telling you course quality is not being compromised, which is equals to the level of the lakhs of bundles. So that's why quality has been not been compromised, and also people have got the job through these bundles. So, and also apart from that, how many of you people here wanted to create another source of income? If you wanted to create it, you just post I wanted Sanjay in your live chat, because we'll be conducting some live session on freelancing where you'll be converting your skills into a money. So that's why the 3 hours live session on freelancing will be conducted, where I'll be giving you an opportunity to do a freelancing. This freelancing live session, if you really wanted, you just post I wanted Sanjay in live chat. So if you are a free participant, you need to pay 999 to attend this freelancing live session. But if you are a 3-month online internship participant, you can attend this freelancing live session for free. And second bundle which we are providing is a resume building, because whenever your people are attending an interview, they used to prepare, they used to take 1 hour, they used to take just 30 minutes. They'll be creating one resume to apply for all the jobs. Guys, you won't get selected in the interview, even for the first round, because you need to spend minimum 30 minutes to create one resume to apply for one job. If you are going to apply for 5 jobs, you need to prepare, you need to spend 30 minutes for each and every resume based on ATS, application tracking software. It should satisfy that. So that's what resume building live session also going to be conducted. That's also going to be absolutely free for the people who have enrolled for the 3-month online internship. And also, this Warrior community is going to train you all the aspects of your life. It is not going to only train on AI and data science. It is going to train you in every aspect of the life. On talking about that, the finance. While talking about the finance, managing money is more important than making money, where you'll be learning about stock market, mutual funds, gold bonds, ETFs, and that's what the finance live session will be getting. That's also you can attend it for free with no extra charges. And apart from that, those people who have arrears, those people who have a year gap, they'll be confident. They are not enough confident to apply for the job and to get the job and those things. So that's what goal setting live session will be conducted. That's also going to be free. And also we'll be conducting an interview skills live session where you will be preparing for an interview, how to prepare for an interview, how to be aware about the knockout questions, and how to improve your communication skills. That interview skills live session will be conducted. That's also going to be absolutely free. And and apart from that, you'll be having some mindset session as well. So mindset classes also will be conducted. So likewise, everything which is going to be included in this bundle. So those people who really wanted to make the decision, just make the decision right now. And before giving you other values and all, I wanted to show you, guys, how many of you people, whenever you are really wanted to learn something like AI and data science and those things, your friend or someone, they used to tell you that there is no vacancy, something like that. So if you have experienced that, you just post me Sanjay Nelacha, because here I'm going to show you something which all people should be aware about it. Because whenever you are talking about the job vacancies and all, most of the people, they know only few job role, they will be only searching for that. For an example, they'll be simply going for the Naukri and they will search for data analyst, and they'll be putting as a fresher, and they'll be searching it in India, and they will search, and you can see there is only 1345 job role. That's what people will be leaving that as it is. But it is not that only way, because let me show you a proof. I'm going to open the chat GPT and I'm going to type a prompt. I am learning. I'm going to drop only two skills. I'm learning Excel and Power BI. Just two skills I'm going to type: Excel and Power BI. I'm learning Excel and Power BI. Now, give me the complete list of job roles I can apply for. Okay. So I'm learning Excel and Power BI. Now give me the complete list of job role I can apply for. That's what the prompt which I typed. When I'm hitting enter, you can see it is going to give a lot of list. Already we have searched a data analyst. But now it is giving me a business intelligence analyst. Let me go to the Naukri again. And instead of data analyst, I'm going to type business analyst or something. I'm going to hit enter. And you can see 43 job role available. And other job role is finance analyst. I'm going to copy the finance analyst. I'm going to search finance analyst. And you can see here you'll be having a 830 job role which is available. And here we have a business analyst. I think we have already searched. And here we have market research analyst. And you can duplicate it and you can go to the Naukri. Guys, now are you all really get shocked that how many job roles are really available? If you are really thinking it's super valuable, guys, you just post super valuable Sanjay in your live chat. And even if you are from biomedical department, you can just go and search medical analyst, 549 job role available. And even you can go to the search and you can type HR analytics or something like that. So look how that, which is around, oh my god, 8,117 job role. Guys, is it really valuable? If it is super valuable, you just post super valuable Sanjay in your chat. So even just by doing a rough researches for any department, there is a very huge job opportunity which is available. If any one of your friend or anyone telling you there is no job role, don't listen to them blindly. Go and do a research and find out whether it is worthy of it or whether it is true or not. So that's going to be very important. I hope really thinking it's valuable. If it is valuable, you just post valuable Sanjay in your chat. Now, I really need a few minutes of time to discuss about the mindset, guys. If you are ready to learn, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you are ready to learn, you just post RTL in your live chat, ready to learn. Okay, guys, whenever you are talking about the mindset, some people might thinking like, Sanjay, why you are talking about mindset and all? Just give me an attendance link kind of thing. Guys, mindset is more important than the technical skills. Because you just imagine there is two employees. One is Sanjay, another one is, let us consider Charan. Okay, so both the people are really an equal performer in a company as a normal engineers. They used to work really good and they used to give a good performance. Now, out of these two people, if one company want to make one person as a team lead, now they are making Sanjay as a team lead. Even though as becoming a team lead, Sanjay is giving the same kind of performance, whatever the thing which you have worked, and he is doing overtime and he is doing a lot of works, and that's what Sanjay's performance. But now they are making Charan as a team lead. So instead of giving that kind of performance, Charan have equipped himself to work as a team lead, and he is getting all the team to work together in a certain project, and we are making people to work well. And he is also completing the work faster. And now you tell me whether Sanjay is a right candidate for that team lead role, or Charan is the good team lead. You just give your comments in the live chat. Charan is the good candidate for the team lead. So that's what I'm telling you. Whenever you're talking about that, only technical skills. If you're only the technical skills, it is not gonna be enough. Apart from the technical skills, you need to equip yourselves in a lot of ways, especially on the mindset. Because while talking about the mindset, whenever I'm asking a people to ask what is your dream, some people used to tell, I want to get the job in MNC. That's what the dream. Guys, it is not a right dream. If you are having that as a dream, you can't achieve bigger, because you just imagine if you have got selected in a company like Intel, you'll be really happy, right? You'll be in the mindset like, my life has been settled. But do you know one thing? Recently, before 10 to 15 days back, Intel company laid off 15,000 people. Can you believe it? Isn't it really shocking? So that's why getting a job in MNC should not be your dream. You should think something bigger. So not only on the job, whatever the thing or whatever the lifestyle which you want to live, always think big, guys. That's what the first important point which I want to tell you. It might be the job, it might be the salary, it might be the kind of lifestyle which you want to live. Always think big. Like, instead of thinking like, I want to get the job in MNC, you should think in terms of like, I want to achieve a financial freedom. I want to make my family rich. I want to, I want to I want to achieve, I want to retire at 45. Or I want to create 20 source of income. That's what thinking big is all about. And whenever I'm asking the people to dream big, some people will be like, Sanjay, I'm from poor family, or I have arrears, I have year gap. How can I dream big? Guys, right now you might be poor, right now you might have arrears, right now you might be having a year gap, right now you might not good at any skill set, but it does not mean that you're gonna be rest of your life you're gonna be like that. No, it's not like that. Your life might be changing at any point of the time, because my colleague whose name is Vivek, so his brother's friend who used to have 15 arrears in his college days, now he is running a company, that company which is really making crores of revenue. So that's why right now you might be at any situation or any condition. Don't compare your past and present to constrain your dream. Don't do that. Always think big. Is it making sense, guys? If it is making sense, you just post make sense on Janila chat. And final point is, we will plant positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. So guys, whatever you really, your mind is like a land where you can plant a poisonous plant as well as a fruit plant. Poisonous plant, since because it is poisonous, it's not mean that it is going to grow slow, and fruit plant is going to grow faster. No, both the plant is going to grow equally. It is about to us to choose which plant you are going to choose to plant and those things. So that's what the thing where whenever you are as a human being, we all have a lot of problems. So how we are really approaching that problem is a very important thing, because always people used to run this kind of thoughts in their mind. If you are also running in this way, you just tell me yes. People used to think like, Sanjay, I am poor. Sanjay, I don't have money. Sanjay, I don't have own house. Sanjay, I don't have own car. Sanjay, I don't have own bike. Sanjay, I'm not looking good. Sanjay, I'm not having enough technical skills. Sanjay, I don't have good family. Sanjay, I'm not good at relationship. Sanjay, I don't have good trustworthy friends. Sanjay, my communication skill is not good. Sanjay, I'm not confident enough. Sanjay, I have this kind of health problem. So likewise, people used to run this kind of thoughts in your mind. If you are also running the same, you just post yes, Sanjay Nila chat. For you people, I would like to tell you something. Just do a little mind shift by converting your negative thoughts into a positive thought, so that you can change your life. For an example, instead of thinking in terms of like this 10 plus points, try to, even though you have all these 15 problems, try to convert into a positive way. Like, instead of thinking like, I don't have money, just try to think like, I want to make my family rich. I want to become rich. I want to achieve a financial freedom. I want to create 20 source of income. I want to create maximum of passive income. I want to retire at 45. I want to create 1 crore of investment portfolio. I want to create 1 crore of health insurance for my parents. I want to, I'm really looking handsome and smart. And all the people around me, they really love to be my friends of mine. They are really loving me. And I'm really good at relationships. And me and my families are in a very good health, and we are living in a happy life. And my communication skills are really improving, and my technical skills are really improving day by day. I'm feeling like I am an Iron Man. Yeah. And I'm really confident enough right now. So likewise, try to convert your negative thoughts into a positive thoughts. So in a simple statement which I want to tell you, don't focus on what you really don't want, focus on what you really want. Do you really love this quote, guys? Even if you really love this quote, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat. So here I'm finishing off this mindset session. I hope you really loved it. If you really loved it, you just post love this Sanjay in your live chat. So mindset is more important than anything. Even you are learning AI and data science, but mindset is more important than anything. So likewise, so this kind of mindset and technical skills and soft skills, everything you will be getting trained by this company called Warriorsway Coaching Club. So those people who really wanted to learn from this type of company, so this is the right chance to get into the company. My team, I've already given the link in the live chat. So those people who haven't made the decision right now, just go and make the decision right now and get into our community, guys. So now, love this Sanjay, wonderful. Oh my God. Charan, Gayatri, and Ankita. Ankita enrolled. Congratulations, Ankita. And Pramodini, love this Sanjay. Lisha loved it. And Shushma loved this Sanjay. And Pavi Pavitra, wonderful. And Just Okay, love this. It's amazing, guys. Thank you so much. And Ekta, thank you. So now I'm going to, okay, in a few minutes, my team will be giving you an attendance link. So ready to fill up an attendance form as well. But before talking about an attendance and all, how many of you are really excited to get the free course? As I've already told you, I'm going to give one course for free. And another very important thing, I think you can see the countdown timer, guys. Only 25 minutes were left to register for the internship. So if this 25 minutes hit zero, the price of this 3-month online internship on AI and data science, the price will be changing into 7,800 rupees. But those people who are registering within this 25 minutes, you will be getting this complete bundle at just rupees of 1499 with a lifetime validity with all the bonuses which I've talked about. So those people who really wanted, this is the right time to get it, because you can compare this. Why I've given you this 60 minutes, I wanted you guys to compare with any company you really want. Whenever you are comparing, first compare the company and compare the course curriculum, compare the number of projects you'll be building, compare the way of teaching, because way of teaching will change a lot of things. Because how many of you people really used to hate the subject, not because of the subject, because of the teaching methodology? If you really agree to that, you just post agree in your lecture, in your school days or college days. So because I can also teach the AI in the way. Okay, let me give a sample. What does mean by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science which deals with the data. From the data, it is going to allow us, if it is able to solve a certain problem, that is what artificial intelligence is. Which it has the category like machine learning and deep learning, where machine learning really want to, we need to specify the features where less amount of data is enough to train the machine learning algorithms. And deep learning, where it requires a huge amount of data, but it can able to automatically extract the feature. Guys, if I'm teaching in this way, you will hate this to the core. How many of you people purchase some Udemy course or something who haven't completed it? Because the lecture might be boring. So that's why teaching methodology is also important. Go and compare the teaching methodology. Go and compare the Google review. Go and compare the Trustpilot review. And go and compare the price. Even you can go and compare with the course which is worth of rupees 8,000 and 80,000 and all. Go and compare this same our curriculum, this bundle with any company you really want. And then if you are believing this is worth to make the decision, then the link is waiting for you. Only 22 minutes were left. Now the link, my team will be changing into 7,800. So those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision right now. Now, how many of you people really excited to get the course for free? Because I've told you, those people who are all staying till end with me, you all going to get one course which is worth of 1,499. I'm going to give it for free. How many of people are really excited to get that? If you are really excited to get that, you just post excited Sanjay in your live chat. So what is the course which you are going to get is, okay, before talking about the course, let us talk about the concept. Guys, how many of you people know about the company called Neuralink? Neuralink is the company which is being owned by Elon Musk. which is using the technology called brain computer interface technology, where you can connect your brain with the computer to do the analysis. Analysis in the sense like even memory loss problem, that research is also going on to solve the memory loss problem, which we used to have it in our exams times. Yeah. And also brain related disorder like autism and schizophrenia. So likewise, we used to face a lot of problem related to brain. So that problem which it can be solved by using this brain computer interface technology. And I'm proudly to tell we are the one of the manufacturer in all over India the device for BCI technology. So this is the BrainSense device. If you have this device in your hand, you can take this device and you can put it in your head and you can do brain computer interface. You can connect your brain with the computer. Is it an amazing, guys? If it is really amazing, you just post amazing Sanjay in your live chat. So by using this device, we have made one course. Guys, nowadays a lot of people are talking about the artificial intelligence, generative AI and all, but in few months, a lot of people are going to talk about this technology called BZI because recently Elon Musk company got a human trial approval as well. So for that, we have made a separate course for it. Even you can do a lot of brain related, BZI related final year project or mini project contest and all. You can work on this projects as well. So on that aspects, here, I would like to show you this. Okay, here BrainSense with Brainwave Visualizer. Okay, so I would like to show you this project. This courses is not a theory courses. It is a practical courses. And another very important happy news is I am the instructor for this course as well. So here, okay, wait a minute. This video is getting buffered. I'm really sorry. Yes. So here, in my head, you can see,
so you can
I weared this device. Okay, wait a minute. Let me disable. Yeah. So in my head, I weared this device. And wait a minute. Let me change the screen. Yes. So in my head, I weared this device. And here, I'm working on this technology. I connected my brain with the computer. Here, I'm playing a game. So here, whenever I'm going to start doing a meditation, based on the meditation level, the ball which is present in this game, which is going to start rise from the ground level. So that's what this game is all about. Okay. Are you all really excited? Guys, is it exciting? Now, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to meditate. Whenever my meditation level is increasing, this ball is going to rise from the ground level. Ta-da! Can you see that? So 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter. Guys, isn't it mind-blowing? If it is really mind-blowing, guys, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat. So, and I hope you really realized from which type of company you are learning from. Now, clearly notice my meditation is going to be distracted when I'm opening an eye. So here I will be opening my eyes. Ta-da! Can you see that? I opened my eyes. When my meditation get distracted, you can see ball is falling to the ground. 11 meter, 10 meter, 9, 8, it is falling. So that's what one of the game which I played here by connecting my brain with the computer. And also we have controlled the car with the help of the brain. Okay, car with the help of the brain in the sense I've based on the attention value. So whenever attention level is above the certain threshold, car will move forward. Whenever the attention is less than certain threshold, car will be stopped. That kind of detailed project which we guys have done it with the help of BCI course in this BCI course. So those people who are all staying till end with me, I am going to give this course for free. Now, okay, my team will be giving you one form later. You should fill up that form to get this course for free. So now, how many of you people are really feeling like, thank God I stayed till the end? So I told you, only if you are staying till the end, you will get this course for free. Right? If you are believing like, if you are thinking like, thank God I stayed till the end. If I've left in between, you might have missed this great opportunity. If you are really thinking on that way, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay. This was the mindset session. And attendance link will be given in few minutes. And BCI form. Okay, guys, here 2 form will be given in this today's live. Okay. So one form is for attendance link. And another form is for this brain computer interface, BCI course link. You should fill up both the forms if you are a free participant. But if you are a paid participant, you don't want to fill up attendance form because hereafter attendance is not required. You can complete your courses anytime you really want. You can generate your certificates anytime you really want. Okay, that's the leverages which you have because you have all the 5 courses recording with a lifetime validity. You can watch it anytime. You can generate your certificates anytime. But if you are a free member, you should fill up both the forms. Okay. And now, while talking about the first question people used to ask is, Sanjay, I don't know anything about this AI in data science. I'm literally zero. Can I register for the 3-month internship or not? Yes. Because we have a case study. Here you are getting all the 5 courses at 1499, right? Here we have one of the community member. He is Abhinav. Do you know what he is studying? He is just 8th standard, guys. He's just 8th standard. He completed 2.5 course from our community in his 8th standard. Is it inspiring? Yes. In this time of interview, he completed AI course, machine learning course, and data analytics 15th day here, I think so. So if 8th standard student can able to complete our courses, you can also most definitely complete our courses. So even though you don't know anything, you can kickstart these courses. This course you can easily complete it because every day you can just spend 1.5 hour. So you can easily complete these courses very in an easy way because I hope you understood, you already know what is my teaching methodology is. So even though you are a beginner, even though you don't know anything, this series is for you. And even though you are from different department, guys, you might be from mechanical, you might be from civil, you might be from any department. Every company, it can be electrical company, mechanical company, or finance department, finance company, or service-based company, any company, they want to make some decisions to improve their finance, to improve their customer support, to improve their product, to improve their everything. So that's why every company have a need that data, guys. So that's why even we have a case study whose name is Sai, who got selected in TCS as a mechanical data analyst, but he's still in a diploma in mechanical. He did diploma in mechanical. He didn't even complete a degree. I mean, engineering. But he is working as a data analyst in mechanical department, mechanical data. So that's what, even though you are from different department, you can get this data related job role. And now third question is, when will this internship start? Guys, if you have done the payment, your internship has been started. You can start it anytime you really want. You can even, right now, Sanjay, exam is going on. I can't focus on the internship and all. Don't worry. So if you are registered right now, you can start this internship anytime you really want. Even after 1 month, even after 10 days or 20 days, you can start this internship anytime you really want. And you can also generate your certificates anytime you really want. And is it just a recorded courses? Guys, first of all, you will get all the 5 courses recording. Plus, additionally, live will be conducted. That live also you can attend it for free. Sanjay, is it a lifetime validity? Do I want to complete all the courses within a 3 months? No. This complete course is a lifetime validity. So you can complete your courses anytime you really want. Sanjay, how can I clear my doubts? You can clear your doubts in 2 ways. One way by raising a questions in this community. So in here, you can raise your questions whenever you're doing a task. We will be able to help you. Or you can raise your questions whenever we are conducting some live session. Through that, we can help you to solve that problems. And Sanjay, I done the payment. What's the next procedure? Guys, if you have done the payment, I hope you all used one email ID to do that 1499 payment, right? So what you can do is, you can just type learn.pantechsolutions.net. This is the URL. Okay. So what you just do is, while doing a payment, you have given one email ID, right? So visit this link and click login button. And once you have clicked the login button, there is an email box and password box. In the email box, the email ID which you are given to use the payment, do the payment, that email ID you should give. And in the password section, you don't know the password, right? Simply click forget password and it will send you an email and reset it. Once you have resetted it, you will get all this amazing 5 courses. What are all the 5 courses? AI course, machine learning course, Python course, data analytics course, and deep learning course. Likewise, you will get all the 5 courses. Look out that, all the video recording which is like that. And whatever the course attachments like PPT, mind map, source code, dataset, all the things which it can be downloaded from the each and every video below. And even in the first, you can see mandatory section, mandatory step, first step to join the community here. If you are going into that link, you can see join Warriorsway community. So if you are clicking that button, it will be helping you to join inside the private social media like this. And in that social media, you are going to be bronze member on AI in data science. And if you are scrolling above, you can see the task section on AI in data science. You can go and complete the task if you really want it. And very soon within this week, the event section will be appeared. That event also you can attend it for free. So that is what the value, guys. Okay. So, and also you can go through your courses anytime you really want. This is the AI course where you can see, which has been covering a lot of things like AI, where Python and computer vision, and the computer vision, moving object detection, face detection, object tracking based on the color, face recognition, face emotion recognition. And in the deep learning, you'll be working on the projects like object recognition using pre-trained model, image classification using CNN, hand gesture recognition, leaf disease detection, and character recognition, label reading, and attendance system using face, and vehicle detection and tracking, and license plate recognition, drowsiness detection, and different machine learning algorithms, and fake news detection, and natural language processing. Likewise, there are a lot of projects we have done. And even in the machine learning category, the projects such as like every day one algorithm with one project, like handwritten digit recognition using SVM, and salary estimation using k-nearest neighbor, sale prediction using logistic regression, and plant leaf iris detection using decision tree, digit recognition using random forest, and breast cancer detection using different ML algorithms, and exam mark prediction using linear regression. So every day, so instead of teaching algorithm in a proper, normal, boring way, every day one algorithm with one project. That's what the machine learning course contains. 30 days, you'll be building 28 projects. It's amazing, right? And data analytics, you'll be creating an Excel dashboards, and even automation using Excel, statistics, probability, and hypothesis testing, and BI tools, like you'll be creating a dashboard on Power BI, you'll be creating a dashboard on Tableau, you'll be working on Python programming for data analysis, and NumPy library, data manipulation using pandas, and Matplotlib library, Seaborn library, and Kaggle, and MySQL database, NoSQL, more like MongoDB database, and different machine learning algorithm, and even COVID-19 detection from deep learning projects. And while talking about a Python, you'll be mastering Python completely from the scratch to the advanced level. And in the deep learning, you'll be working with the CNN, RNN, and ANN, and all the frameworks like TensorFlow, Caffe, PyTorch, MXNet. So likewise, these are all the 5 courses you'll be getting with a lifetime validity, even at an affordable price. Because why I'm telling that is an affordable price is, you can go and compare with any company who is providing at even the course price is 20,000. You can compare it. So this is more valuable than anything. And even, guys, final 10 minutes were left to register for it. Those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision before the timer ends. Another very important thing, if you're going into the official website of Pantech Solutions, you can check out the courses. So you will be opening AI course, and you'll be opening the next course like machine learning course, data analytics course, Python course, and deep learning course. You can just check that out. Okay, AI course, which is alone 1499. Only recording I'm talking about. Only AI 30 days recording alone 1499. Only machine learning course recording alone 1499. Only data analytics course recording alone 1499. And Python course alone 999. And deep learning course recording alone 1499. If you are doing a simple math, so 1499 multiples of 4 courses, which is going to be around 5,996, plus Python courses 999, which is going to be 6,000, more nearly to the 7,000. But those people who are attending the day one, which is you people are really lucky, because you will be getting all the 5 courses at in a single course price at 1499. So those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision before the timer ends. But other than that, I hope you really enjoyed the day one session. If you have really enjoyed it, you just post I enjoyed it, Sanjay, in your live chat. And now my team will be giving you a link in the live chat, which is an attendance link. You should click that link and fill up an attendance form right now, guys. And within 5 minutes, then again my team will be giving you the BZI form link in the live chat. You should click that link and you should fill up the BZI form as well, so that to get the brain computer interface course for free. Okay. And also, again, a lot of people have made the decision. Namita made it, congratulations. And Gahan Kumar made it, congratulations. And Rama Nata made it, congratulations. And Singhan have made it, congratulations. And Tejal have made it, congratulations. And Tofik have made it, congratulations. And Ifo John, congratulations. And here we have Shriyani Rai have made it, congratulations. And Shushma have made it, congratulations. Great congratulations for the people who have made the decision, guys. So only 7 minutes were left to register for it. Okay. Now, those people who have made the decision, that's amazing. From tomorrow, you can attend, you can go through the courses. You don't want to worry about the free live session. And uh, and other than that, those people who haven't made the decision still, you just tell me, guys, what is the reason is really holding you back? If you are a free member, what is the reason is holding you back to not to register for the internship, guys? Okay, what is the reason is holding you back? Okay, if you are telling me the reason, my team will be giving you an attendance link to fill it up. So that's a deal. Okay, but other than that, those people who have any questions on AI or data science or any technology or any other mindset or any soft skill, please ask your questions in the live chat. So we will be helping you to solve that problem, guys. Okay, Kaushal posted money is the reason. Okay, thank you so much for posting out the reason. And Guy 3 posted money. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for posting out the reason. Guys, other than that, those people have any questions, please raise your questions in the live chat right now, guys. Okay, Krish Raj, I'm in class 11. Oh my God, that's amazing, Krish Raj. Even though you are 11th standard, you started learning data science. That's really a commendable. That's a really great thing. That's really great. Amazing. Okay. Nagesh, I want to need one more day for registrations because I want to ask money to my family members. Okay. But I don't know whether this offer has been extended or not. I'm really sorry. Can you start the class at 7 p.m.? Already it is started at 7 p.m. Okay. And also, guys, wait a minute. Let me refresh the portal and let me check. There's a lot of payment failures out there, especially from other people, other countries and those things. Okay. A lot of people are keep on trying, but they are facing some payment issues, it seems. Okay, look out that there are a lot of failed. Like, I will be showing always transparent with you guys. Look out that failed. So guys, for you people, I would like to extend the timer for few minutes. Okay. So those people who have really need some additional time to register for it, you just post, I need Sanjay in your live chat. So for you people, what I can do is, I can extend the timer for a few minutes again for you guys. Okay, is it amazing? Do you really like this? So what is the time extension which I can give you is, I can give you 20-minute time extension again for you. So those people who haven't made the decision, so this is the last and final chance then. Only because of payment failures, only because of people, a lot of people keep on trying. So I'm just going to extend 20-minute again. So people haven't made the decision, make the decision before the timer ends, guys. Okay. And also, I'm requesting my team to share the attendance link. So please click that link and fill up your attendance, guys. And within sharply at 9:15 or 9:10 to 9:15, my team will be giving you the BZI, Brain Computer Interface free course form. You should click that and you should fill up that form. And also, people have any questions, please ask your questions in the live chat, guys. And another very important thing I forgot to tell, tomorrow's session is gonna be 99%, it's gonna be practical session. So those people who have a laptop, please try to come with a laptop. Please, those people who don't have a laptop, try to borrow the laptop. If you can't borrow the laptop, no problem, just come with the notebook. Because some people will be like, I don't have a laptop, so am I not the eligible person to learn AI and all? Don't get demotivated, because nowadays you can rent a laptop just at 2,000 to 3,000 rupees for a month I'm talking about. So that's why it is very, very affordable. So even though you don't have a laptop, even though you are facing that type of problem, so don't worry, don't get demotivated. So you can take a notes, but once you have got the laptop, you can practice it. But while talking about the comparison between free participants, only live will be conducted. Okay, no recordings and no materials. So you should attend daily sharply at 6:50. You should be there on live to attend the live sessions. But if you are a paid member, you have all the recordings of all the courses, all the 5 courses. You can go through that anytime you really want. Yes, my team has shared the attendance link, guys. Please click that link and fill up your attendance. And if you have filled up an attendance, just leave one thumbs up emoji in the live chat. And other than that, how many of you will really enjoy the today's session, guys? If you really enjoyed the today's session, you just give your comments like enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And Those people who have any questions, please ask your questions in the live chat, because only today and tomorrow, tomorrow I'm not sure, but tomorrow the live might be a recorded live session. So there won't be any direct interaction. You will get a precise 1 hour value, the thing which we have committed. Even though it is a recorded live, don't think it is a recording, you have given a recording. Don't think on that way. As per the commitment, 30 days live is there, but it's going to be a recorded live session. You can attend it. Okay. So it's been a great session. That's amazing. Kaushal Sri, thank you so much for posting that. Okay. Is the course conducted in YouTube? No, not in a YouTube. It is a different platform. Only for the day one we have came as like for the day one. We have came into the YouTube. Yeah. May I know what are all the tools we need for tomorrow's session? Don't worry, Vijaya Maji. I will give you the detailed instruction. Tomorrow, I think, tomorrow we'll be directly jumping onto the Excel, it seems. So if you're having an Excel in your laptop, that will be good. But try to have some latest version, about 2016. So 2016 to some other different version, because we are going to do a data analysis with the help of the mother of data analysis tool, which is an Excel. So that's why I try to come with the Excel. Okay, Excel is somewhat better. Okay, Gayatri thoughts. Enjoy, bro. That's amazing. We can use phone. No, for hands-on, phone is not recommended. Will I be able to build AI models of my own after 30 days? Yes, from here, and if you are purchased for the 5 bundle, because this 4 courses, which is a data science, which is also having ML and DL, but also it includes the data analysis part as well. But if you are talking about ML course and deep learning course, we'll be creating a very good model. Yes. Shiva Mishra, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sir, but where is a full stack web development course? Yuvraj, if you have registered for the full stack course, I think you might have gotten access for the 5 courses, which is also present in the full stack journey. If you are looking for the free live has been conducted. I think they might have posted the link in the Telegram. You should have got it. Sir, what is the difference between performance analyst and data analyst? Performance analyst is specifically focusing on certain factor, but apart from that, data analyst is a general term where you'll be doing data analysis. But other than that, if you are going for the bigger level of company, you'll be doing a different individual analysis, like marketing analysis, sales analysis, performance analysis, employee analysis, and product analysis, and employee demographic analysis. So that analysis is different, okay, where it is specifically focusing on the certain concept. Because all the company, they really want to do a different analysis. They want to make a decision on every aspects, like marketing aspects, sales aspects. Even today, I've shown you that Swiggy dashboard, right? Swiggy, that ads. If there are 4 campaigns, 1 campaign might be focused for youngsters. 1 campaign might be focused for the old people, or 1 campaign might be focused for the mid-level of age category. So as a data analyst, you should able to find out from which campaign we have got more sales, and in that campaign, what are all the things they have mentioned? Is the offer is convincing the people, or is that image is convincing the people, or is the video campaign also might be there, the video is convincing the people. So likewise, you will be finding out which campaign is really working well and which campaign is not working well. So that is what the marketing analyst, and even other marketing, like you will be finding out the best demographics for the respective product which you have. If you have shown the pizza in the ads and you have written the copywriting for the pizza, like this much offer for the pizza, if you have shown that ads for older people, they might not purchase it. You might not get enough performance. So that's what the identification you need to make as a data analyst. So this pizza campaign is not working well for the oldest people. We need to target for the age people from 18 to 28 or 30. So that's one thing. Okay. So I hope you really love this, guys. Okay. But anyhow, that's a great question. Thank you so much for asking. Yeah. So other than that, I hope you really enjoyed. Ankita Singh, those who enroll, they don't need to attend this 30 days DS masterclass. Yes, you don't need to attend, Ankita Singh, because hereafter free live is going to be there, but it is going to be recorded live. And also, we can't cover everything in the live sessions, free live session. Free live is being limited for just 1.5 hour maximum. So, but you'll be getting more value inside your courses. Courses has a lot of value than the free live, guys, because in the free live, it's just only 30 days on data science part, but you have the 5 courses recording. So your courses, this is more valuable than free live session, guys. Okay. So last and final few minutes, guys. Those people who haven't made the decision, make the decision before the timer ends. Only a few minutes were left. So thank you. First of all, thank you so much for making the day one to be very successful. And thank you so much for being so interactive and so positive and so amazing. I really, I'm feeling very happy to interact with you. And also, if you have any question, also you can ask. I'm really open to address your questions. And my team will be giving you the BCI form right now, so you can fill it up to get it. Okay, Nagesh, sir, visited any website platform like e-commerce or any platform, the recommended previous information recommendation for behind the previous visited data, it only ML or APIs play a key role. I don't know why you are comparing APIs with MLs, because you can create an ML application. That ML application also can be combined with the API to show the information in the website. So, but moreover, the ML algorithms can able to predict it. Yeah. Because for the normal sites, they are not going to use as much. But while talking about because whenever you're talking about some of the basic websites who are doing a beginner in a freelancing, who is building a website, there might be some plugins to find out the recent products. That plugin which is going to just search for the recent orders of the certain user, and it will be showing us like a recommended category. But other than that, whenever you're talking about the deep research in the sense, that's what nowadays Amazon are advertising. When people are purchasing the mobile phone, it will show you the recommendation that the specific tempered glass, specific phone cases for that specific phone. Okay, if they have purchased iPhone 15, it is going to recommend the AirPods, or it is going to recommend the phone cases for the iPhone 15, or it is going to recommend the tempered glass for that iPhone 15. So that prediction is different. Okay, that like based on the history of visit, that is very easy. That doesn't require that kind of machine learning and deep learning. But where people have visited only phone, but why it is recommending the phone case? That's the next need. That's where ML is going to play a role. Yeah, that's a great question anyhow. Okay, I am a student of bio informatics, medical research with AI and ML. Is this course worth it for me? Yes, of course, Abhinav, because as we are doing a medical analysis, especially on research aspects, you'll be analyzing a medical parameter to predict the something well. Even I think I can show you something, guys. Wait a minute. A lot of people are having a different department confusions. I would like to show you this. Look out that. Here, we have made one project. Okay, so you can see this is actually an electrical project. Okay, which it has. I'm the developer of this project as well. Here it is the electrical project, which it contains, which it contains which it contains the electrical equipments, which it has the bulbs and transformers and signal conditioning circuit, and it is having a Raspberry Pi. And here we have deployed two skills. One is artificial intelligence and web development skill. So artificial intelligence will be helpful for making a decision whether this load is consuming high power or whether this load is consuming less power. So that decision which has been made by AI, which is present in the electrical. So this is how we have deployed artificial intelligence in electrical projects. Is it mind-blowing? Okay. If it is mind-blowing, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat. Same as like sometimes you are controlling this kind of huge electrical product, which is like 3-phase induction motor. So that is also where we have deployed those kind of concepts. And even we guys have did this kind of autonomous car where this robot will analyze the environment and it will find out the optimal direction and it will go on to that direction. Yes, I'm the developer of this project as well. So as I already told you, this is a product based company. You are learning from very amazing company, guys. Whenever you are registering for the AI course, no one can show you this kind of projects and all. They will simply teach you the linear regression and the logic regression in theoretical. That's it. Even in the project, but that project won't be a real-time deployment. Here we have deployed real-time. Okay, that's what the experience you'll be getting from our community, guys. So to join in our community, this is the last and final call. Join our community before the timer ends. So look how that this robot will make the decision by itself. And even while talking about the deep learning, we guys have deployed that deep learning in hardware like this. So here you can see we have put up a camera here. So yes, I am the developer of this. Yes, it's me. I am walking here. So whenever I'm walking, this robot is going to detect me and it is going to be like, yeah, it's me. Okay. So human follow a robot. So here we have deployed the deep learning there, the deep learning course, which is one of the course which you are present in that 3-month online internship. So this is how deep learning has been deployed in the robotic car to follow human follow a robot. And even this is another project which are developed by using a robotic operating system with the lidar and those things. So whenever you're leaving the car in bedroom and if you are marking the kitchen in the map, this robot will find out the optimal direction to reach the kitchen by itself, and this robot will automatically drive by itself and it will reach the kitchen by itself. Is it awesome again? If it is mind-blowing again, you just post mind-blowing Sanjay in your live chat. This is the another project also we have did it. So don't worry, even though you are from different department, you can combine this learning into your department. I hope you're really thinking, thank God I stayed till the end. If you are really loving this, you just post loving this Sanjay in your live chat. So thank you so much, Pramodini. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you for everything. And Jeena, Jiva, thank you. And Kunal Kumar, thank you. And it was a great session with you. You are really awesome teacher. Oh my God. Thank you so much. It's really a great honor. Thank you so much. And Nagesh, thank you. So guys, thank you so much for all the love, all the support, all the interaction which you are given. So my team have shared the BCA course link. I think so. I'm requesting my team to share the BCA course link. Please guys, go and fill up the BCA form and get your BCA course for absolutely free. But other than that, thank you so much for the people who have stayed connected with me for 2 hours and 20 minutes. I'm feeling really, really happy to connect with you. I'm really happy to deliver the knowledge with you. And thank you so much for your love and thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your interaction. So thank you, Nagesh. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, Anesha. Thank you, Gargi. Thank you, Shailu, Puluri. Thank you so much. Agriculture and its lifestyle. Thank you so much. Jeena Jiva. Thank you so much. Pramodini. Thank you so much. Abhinav. Thank you, Anesha. Thank you, Nagesh. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.